I'm going to show you the difference between a pattern that is designed for cutting and a pattern that is more designed for coloring. I have created this design. All of the shapes are free floating. They go to the edge, but none of them overlap like this one. Which means after I have transferred my sketch, flipped it over, transferred it again, so that I can make a shape like this one, I can go ahead and cut it. And the piece kind of maintains its integrity as something I could glue onto another surface. Whereas if I take a design that has shapes within shapes or overlapping shapes, and I try to cut that, look what happens. They go away. I've got this shape overlapping this one, and when I go to cut the line, there it goes. I no longer have a design. Now, where I wanted something that looked like this, now I have something that looks more like this. I have lost these interior details because I had overlapping lines. So this is what it would look like if you wanted to cut it. Whereas if I make one that has shapes inside shapes or overlapping shapes, I end up with something like this.